Introducing the newest range hood from Venmar Bistro. Venmar employs the Capture system to provide superior capture over other range hoods and over-the-range microwaves. Capture works through an advanced blower wheel design and a centric inlet that generates faster smoke and odor removal. The forward placement and smooth flow design of the blower wheel ensures quieter operation. When combined with filters designed for high flow, you have best-in-class smoke and odor removal. All filters are tested and rated for efficient grease removal. The Venmar Bistro range hoods come with either micro mesh or hybrid baffle filters. In a non-ducted installation, large charcoal filters easily snap onto the back of the grease filter for greater removal of cooking odors. Filtered air is recirculated through hidden louvers and back into the kitchen. Venmar Bistro range hoods also provide impressive lighting. One choice is the energy-efficient LED for bright, even lighting over the cooktop. Our LEDs are specially designed to withstand the heat from cooking. That means they'll last many years without dimming or the need for replacement. And that's why we can offer a 3-year warranty. Or you may prefer the warm glow and multiple settings of halogen lighting for full coverage over and around the cooktop. This range hood is equipped with one of 3 styles of controls: a deluxe rocker, a smooth tap-touch capacitive control, or an electronic push-button design with display. Most Venmar Bistro range hoods are ADA compliant with the addition of a standard UL-approved wall switch. And look for the models with our Easy One installation method that make it easy for one person to install in less than half the time. Our range hoods are HVI certified, giving you the confidence of a third-party guarantee on performance and sound level testing. You can depend on Venmar to bring you innovations that make it easy to keep your kitchen free of cooking smoke and odors and quiet enough to spend time with the family.